Badgers are fascinating creatures native to Europe, Asia, and North America. They belong to the weasel family, but unlike their slender relatives, badgers are stout, short-legged, and stocky. Firstly, let's talk about their appearance. Badgers have short, thick fur, usually brown or black with lighter patches, earning them the nickname nature's little vacuum cleaners. They have long, sharp claws for digging burrows and strong, powerful jaws for catching prey. Badgers are known for their unique set of habits. They are solitary animals, each having their own burrow, which they dig using their powerful claws. These burrows, called sets, can be up to 30 feet long and have multiple chambers. Now, let's delve into their diet. Badgers are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and meat. Their diet consists of earthworms, insects, rodents, birds, and even fruit. They are particularly famous for their love of foraging for earthworms, which they dig up using their powerful snout. Badgers are also known for their playful and curious nature. They are often seen playing with objects they find, such as balls or toys. Despite their tough exterior, they are actually quite gentle and are known to be good mothers, protecting their cubs fiercely. Badgers play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They help control pest populations, such as rats and mice, and their burrowing helps aerate the soil, improving its structure and fertility. Lastly, it's important to note that badgers are protected in many areas due to their declining populations. Habitat loss, roadkill, and disease are some of the main threats they face. If you encounter a badger in the wild, it's best to keep a safe distance and observe from afar. In conclusion, badgers are fascinating creatures with unique characteristics and important roles in their ecosystems. Whether you see one in the wild or learn about them through books, they are sure to capture your heart with their playful, curious nature.